So it's a second year Kong armor system. It's went through annual cleaning. Beautiful deck. Customer is requesting service of some sort. Look at that. Look at the difference between a customer that takes care of their deck, meaning they clean it a couple times a year, and people that don't, right? If you clean Kong and you keep up with it and do your cleanings like you're supposed to, you'll have very little problems. Very beautiful deck system. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Looks like he's got a camera of some sort. Motion camera. Yeah, he's got a rotten plank.
Yep.
So he's got one rotten plank there.
Right there.
Maybe a rotten plank there. Yeah, that's bad.
Right here, looks like
Nah, it's just kind of... And that's typical. I mean, an older deck system, you can encapsulate them, but every couple years, you might have to replace a couple boards because you still have fastener corrosion under it.
Especially right here next to this, all these wooded areas here.
Yeah.
That's just sweet.
Needs put down, probably. Beautiful deck system. He does have a little bit of come up here. Oh, that's why. This is what he's talking about. This board's come through. Look.
Ooh, yeah.
It's actually not the... It's not the coating system failing. It's actually this board's rotten.
Yeah, that board over here.
So, yeah, fastener corrosion. Here you go.
Ooh, yeah.
See the rusty screw? The wood's reacted with that and it's rotting this plank out, right? So even with the toughest films in the world, we still talk about, hey, previous to coating, some of our screws had some rust and stuff like that, right? So we do our best to reverse that process. We do our best to stop that process. But occasionally a deck owner, regardless of the coating system, regardless of the film, occasionally they might have to face down replacing a few boards, and that's part of deck ownership. Has nothing to do with the coating itself, has nothing to do with improper care, improper treatment, not doing maintenance. It's just part of life. Occasionally a few deck boards go bad, right? So we'll get him some service here, and that's the good thing about the Kong armor system is, since he's got the Kong armor system, since he is a lifetime deck armor system owner, he can actually get these planks replaced under our service promise. It looks like he's got 2 or 3 of them that have returned back bad, and probably all together it's a plank or a board from the store, a couple short ones and one over there. So we'll get him set up, get him replaced, and doesn't even look like he needs any touch-ups really. Beautiful deck system. Yeah, it's pretty. Wow, gorgeous.